Hi everyone, I'm Bridget. What if I told you that social media is good for you? Would it surprise you to know that social media has positive health benefits? Well, the truth is social media does. And we can all agree that we mainly hear social media as a negative. Today we will discuss how social media is actually beneficial and can have positive influence for our health. We will talk about the negative association that social media has and what we can do to help reverse this negative cloud hanging over social media. As of April 2024, there were approximately 5 billion users worldwide. That's more than half the world's population. I want to show you this statistic. And statistics are showing positive health effects from social media use more and more. A Pew study done in 2022 took preteens ages 13 to 17. 80% said they felt more connected with their friends' lives. 71% said they were able to show their creative side, and 67% said that they had people that were able to support them through tough times. This new study is a great example. Let's take that number. 80% felt more connected. Us as humans, we have this human connection rooted into us. I would like to read you guys a quote by Mespin Bakalu. He is a research scientist at Harvard. We found that routine social media use, for example, using social media as part of everyday routine and responding to content that others share, is positively associated with all three health benefits. The three health benefits that he is mentioning is social well-being, positive mental health, and self-rated health. I want to show you this, which I found online. I thought it was a good touch. It goes over the positive side of social media. So it says social well-being, positive mental health, and then the self-rated health. And so what is this telling us? It is telling us that incorporating social media into our daily routines has proven positive health benefits. Social media platforms are used for a variety of purposes, such as marketing, staying connected with friends and family, and professional networking. But there's so much more. And it seems like social media has all these health benefits and it's filled with positivity. So why is there a negative cloud hanging over social media? Well, this negative cloud that hangs over social media is simply because we aren't using social media correctly. This user error is damaging social media and the idea of what people hear about when they hear social media. I recently listened to a TED Talk by Eva Admin. She brought up a fantastic point. She says it is the user that is in control. So we are in control. We, the user, must be aware of who we're following and what content we are taking in. She goes over the three groups of people that we mainly should be following: friends and family, people that align with our goals, and people that inspire us. We need to weed out and unfollow negative content and people. I also listened to Dr. Paul Jenkins, who is a clinical psychologist specializing in the science and practice of positivity. Dr. Jenkins stated, and I quote, "Is fire good or bad? Fire heats our homes, it cooks our foods, it runs our automobiles, but it is really destructive if it gets out of the context in which it's useful. Fire is neither good nor bad, it's powerful." Dr. Jenkins uses this example in comparison of social media. He also mentioned the study done about passive versus active engagement. Passive is described as just browsing and scrolling, whereas active engagement is liking and commenting on others' posts and what people share. Research does show that active engagement has more health benefits versus the passive engagement. Now that we know all about the benefits of social media, what can we do to help this negative cloud that's hanging over social media? We can be a good example of how social media should be used and bring awareness to others. Dr. Jenkins mentioned in a recent audio that I listened to that setting a specific time every day, so incorporating in your daily routine, such as 8 to 10, or you can do 10 to 12, 2 to 4, you get it. Incorporating a specific time into your daily routine versus just scrolling whenever you feel like it shows more to be more beneficial in our overall health. Ava Admin mentioned the three following groups that we should be following and weeding out the negative and things that don't make us feel good. So the feel good positive effect is who we should be following. I know we covered a lot about social media today, but I want you to leave with this. Social media is a powerful tool and resource. When used correctly, it has proven health benefits for us. So please help to spread this awareness that there is positive, not just negative, when it comes to social media. Thanks for listening.